वक्त में असल जिहाओ तुम साहिब को सचम में जानी वक्त में असल जिहाओ तुम साहिबो सचम में जानी वक्त में असल जिहाओ तुम कूद काला रोज बेजार कूद काला रोज बेजार जाने हुंद मस जाओ तुम साहिबो सचम में जानी वक्त में असल जिहाओ तुम साहिबो सचम में जानी वक्त में असल जिहाओ तुम शबनम की पट आफ़ताबस कूद काल कर इंतज़ार शबनम की पट आफ़ताबस कूद काल कर इंतज़ार गुड नीचे अनवारी पोषण गुड नीचे अनवारी पोषण सुचले उजनाव तुम साहिबो सचम में जानी वक्त में असल जिहाओ तुम शक्ल छुस इंसान मगर इंसानियत निश बेखबर शक्ल छुस इंसान मगर इंसानियत निश बेखबर क्या मत इम्तिहान क्या मत इम्तिहान में शक्ल मत मंद छाव तुम साहिबो सचम में जानी वक्त में असल जिहाओ तुम
Okay, so this was a prayer, the meaning of which is a prayer to God that please show us the right way, show us the path of joy, togetherness, oneness, and happiness. So, with that, I invite the head girl of HPS to please come forward and say her welcome. Yeah, and also to do the traditional Tamil Nadu welcome, which is what is planned. Yes, so please come forward. Nidarshana, your turn
Yes, sir.
to.
Sir, should I have to give my welcome speech?
Yeah, you do your welcome speech and then after that the Aarti.
Yes, sir. Good morning to one and all present here. Honorable Dr. K. Karunakaran, the Managing Director of Hosur Public School, Honorable Arun Vaklu, sir, Vijay Dhar, sir, the Founder and Executive Director of Delhi Public School, Srinagar, esteemed Dr. V. Bindu, the Principal of Hosur Public School, respected Syed Sumaira, the Coordinator of Delhi Public School, dearly beloved coordinates, teachers of Hosur Public School and Delhi Public School, and my dear fellow students. At the very outset, I would like to greet you all. Namaskar and Vanakkam. I deem Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat is one of the rare events which provides us opportunity to come together on a virtual platform to celebrate our unity in diversity and the spirit of one nationhood. By the way, I am Nidarshana, the head girl of Hosur Public School. It is my privilege and honor to welcome this August gathering. On behalf of Hosur Public School, I extend a very warm and cordial welcome to each one of you present here. Can we join North and South Pole together? Yes, we can, only in spirit, heart, and mind. Kashmir and Tamil Nadu have joined virtually and share the views and get mutually enriched academically and interculturally. Time and technology have narrowed down the distance due to unprecedented advancement of science technology. Connectivity, communications, and interactions have improved considerably in our country. Let's thank the Almighty and CBSE for designing this intervention and providing us opportunity to come together on a virtual platform. Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat program is one of its kind which aims to enhance interaction and promote mutual understanding among students and teachers of different states or union territories through the state or union territory pairing. Mutual understanding and trust are the foundations of India's strength, and all citizens should feel culturally integrated across India. We are here on this virtual platform to celebrate and participate in the Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat program. A word of welcome with truly welcoming attitude is one of the important and rich cultural dimensions of our nation. A word of hearty welcome from the heart is the most adorable things in life. A smile that radiates with a great sense of love to all the people around us makes everyone happy when hearts are free from gloom. No wonder smiles are in full bloom. With hearts full of joy and exceeding happiness, respect, and reverence, I would like to extend hearty and cordial welcome to Dr. Karunakaran sir, the Managing Director of Hosur Public School, Tamil Nadu, Arun Baklu sir, and Vijay sir, the founder and executive director of Delhi Public School, Srinagar, to this program. Sirs, you have been our source of inspiration and education. I cordially welcome to you this program, sir. Welcome, sirs. With great pleasure and heart full of joy and happiness, I would like to extend warm and hearty welcome to Dr. V. Bindu, the principal of Hosur Public School, and very respected Syed Sumaira, the coordinator of Delhi Public School, Srinagar, Kashmir. They have been our constant guide and support to make this event happen. Welcome, madams.
Nidarshana, would you like to do the Aarti now, or because it's a wonderful welcome and just get into the Aarti straight away?
Yes, sir.
Because
I
you shared what you had to share. Unless there's something else.
I'll continue, sir.
Okay.
I take this opportunity to extend warm and personal welcome to our special students, Zehaba and Farad Saad from Delhi Public School, Kashmir, and Mirata Shri, Banu, Abhishek, and Bharati Priyadarshan from Hosur Public School. You are the makers of this program. Hi, friends, hearty welcome. Next, I would like to extend hearty welcome to our most beloved coordinates, teachers, and fellow students of HPS and DPS. Welcome, everyone. One of the breathtaking cultures of hospitality practiced in Tamil Nadu is performing of Arati with a symbolic gesture. Arati essentially consists of three dimensions, signifying the Godhead and godliness of our guest. Deepa Arati is performed as an expression and prayer for the well-being of the relatives, friends, and everyone. Now, I invite Kanika Shri of grade 11 to take Deepa Arati. Pushpa Arati is performed to express our love and affection to our respected guests, family members, relatives, and friends. Now, I invite Ranjita of grade 11 to take Pushpa Arati. Mangala Arati signifies to wish good health and long life to the relatives, friends, guests, and to everyone. Now, I invite Rajesh of grade 11 to take Mangala Arati. Once again, welcome to one and all. Thank you for being with us, and I'm sure this experience will remain as an indelible mark in our heart and mind. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, Nidarshana, for that lovely speech and also for the artis. I now request Dr. Bindu to share a little bit about Dr. Karunakaran, and then Dr. Karunakaran will speak, and then Sumaira will introduce Sri Vijay Darji, and then he will speak briefly for 2 minutes, and then we'll have an introduction on Tamil Nadu and Kashmir by Rahul, who's from class 8. Yeah, so Dr. Bindu, could you please introduce Dr. Karunakaran?
I'm so honored to introduce Dr. K. Karunakaran, our Managing Director, Hosur Public School, Hosur. He is a Chief Executive Director of Hindustan Educational Institutions, and he was the former Principal and Dean of many institutions. He's a great educator, and moreover, he's a visionary. He wants to make the children future ready. So he is the inspirer behind all these things. I'm really thankful to Dr. Karunakaran and all the members of the management for the wonderful support they are providing for the children to explore and to learn and to be better citizens of tomorrow. So welcome you, Karunakaran sir, to this August session. Over to you, sir.
Vanakkam, namaskar, and very good morning to all of you. Most respected guests who are joining from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, our own principal, faculty, friends, and my dear energetic, lovable students who are all joining from both Hosur Public School as well as Delhi Public School, Srinagar. It's a great feel as the managing director of Hosur Public School I enjoy today. I could find faces from the extreme north. I'm sitting in Coimbatore. My students are in Hosur, and I think my principal is in Kerala. Different parts.
And I'm in Pune, Maharashtra.
Oh, nice. This is Bharat. This is India. Different culture, different people, but one mindset. Being an Indian, I'm really proud to be an Indian here. This event, this connectivity, I wish that it should extend for many years between the Delhi Public School and Hosur Public School. Even we could find Delhi Public School in our own region. but the special with respect to the DPS Srinagar is not only the distance, right? As well, the kind of environment being prevailing with respect to these two different institutions, the kind of culture. I think this program is given an opportunity for us to understand the different culture, and probably we will connect both the cultures. Probably when we come across among the both side, there may be some unity. I think our student will be witnessing maybe at the end of or during the interaction between both the ends. So I wish this connectivity to continue to learn better and to celebrate from both sides. Jai Hind. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, Dr. Karunakaran. I loved what you shared. And may I request Sumaira Sayeda to please share about Dr. Vijaydhar. Thank you so much. Really appreciate your wanting this relationship to continue. Thank you.
It's my honor and privilege. It is my honor and privilege to introduce our Chairman, Sir, and Executive Director, Delhi Public School, Srinagar, Mr. Vijaydhar. Mr. Vijaydhar has been a philanthropist, an educationist, a politician, a visionary, and above all, a good, best human being around here with us from decades now. We're very honored to have him as our support, as our guiding force and inspirational force. It was his brainchild. Delhi Public School has been his brainchild. And we have come across the journey of 17 years to bring this school from 500 students to 5,000 students. And it has all been his efforts, his ideas, his motivation and inspiration, which has helped us to to face all the hurdles and bring the school to this level. Thank you so much, everyone. And I welcome you, sir. Without taking further ado, I welcome sir. I hope you're online. Welcome, Mr. Dhar.
Vijayji, over to you for your blessings and good wishes to all the children from Hosur Public School and
your phone is not
BP School.
Your mic unmute.
Vijayji, you may have to, you'll have to unmute it. So, and then if you can just, we're looking forward to listening to you, Vijayji. So over to you. You'll have to unmute your mic. Yes, please.
Am I audible now?
You are, sir. You are wonderfully audible. Yes.
Okay. Now, Arun, I hope you'll give me 3 minutes instead of 2.
Okay, please go ahead.
Vanakkam, Chennai. I must just make a little correction in what has been described earlier as the integration. Kashmir and Chennai integrated centuries ago. I've been fortunate to get a seat in Guindy Engineering then, about 35 years ago. So I'm a part student of Guindy Engineering in Chennai. Now, having said that, I can quote one instance which I attended a Yagnopavit, a thread ceremony 35 years ago. I don't know whether the precedence is still there. The child was made to face north and walk 6 steps towards Kashmir. And there used to be a particular shloka which described Kashmir in Tamil. This shloka was then repeated in a couple of schools that I visited. So what we are doing today is building that gap that has taken firstly centuries to make, centuries ago. And I think we missed out somewhere that there has been an integration between Kashmir and Tamil Nadu, Chennai, long time ago. So as far as my own experience goes, I used to stay with a family in Tyagaraja Nagar, what is known as T Nagar. And I remember 2, 3 famous places which I would like the students of Chennai to share with my students. One is the library. I think you have a very, very large and a very good library. Used to have. I don't know whether you still have it. And then there was a very interesting mosque called Thousand Lights Mosque, which still exists and which I'm very proud. I saw some photographs recently. Then you also have a St. Thomas Church. I'm only repeating these things because I would like the students from Tamil Nadu to share these places with the students from Kashmir. And I did listen with interest to your chairman. And what he missed out was that we're already integrated centuries ago. But we want to take this forward. I would like my school, which has taken this initiative, and thank you very much for the school in Hosur. Thank you very much, Myra. Thank you very much, Ms. Bindu, for giving us the opportunity of getting back to our own ancestral heritage. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Darsab. Thank you so much. Wonderful to see these bridges being built. And Rahul, Rahul will be sharing. I will share on behalf of Rahul. Rahul, do you want to share anything? Just half a minute before we play that video, which you want to show on Tamil Nadu. Is there something you'd like to share?
No, sir, I am good, sir.
Okay, Rahul is from class 8, and what I'm going to play now is a video that he has made on Tamil Nadu. So I'm going to just share that with everyone. So please hold on.